Hey, Nadi. Hey. Opening this in one hand is a big task. Morning, Shubhodaya, Eldrigu Namaskara. Today is 10th November 2020 and the time is around 11:15. So I woke up very late today. I woke up around 10 because today's schedule is completely free. I have nothing to do, totally free day. Yesterday was a bit busy day, but today is totally free. So I've still not showered yet. All the lazy vibes that you get from a free day. Okay, hope you like today's vlog. If you haven't watched it yet, watch it. I know it's the next day, but yeah. Okay, what's the plan? Nothing's the plan. I'll watch some few series or YouTube probably. My cousin has suggested a show on Netflix. It's called I don't know how it is pronounced. SCHITTS Creek Shit's Creek something. So I'll watch that and then yeah, that's it for the day. Let's see. Yeah, yesterday's vlog I told I'll be talking about that guy that I follow on YouTube, right? DV. Yeah, I'll talk about it in a while. For sure, I'm gonna do it today. Okay. Time to speak about that person that I was referring to from yesterday. Okay, I've been watching his videos from past 8 to 9 months. His name is DV, and he does motor vlogs. Basically, he owns different super bikes and then he rides them and stuff. And I didn't see his videos from past 2 3 months. Any not even a single video. So he posted a video 2 days back, two couple of days back, saying that he had met with an accident and so he went for a Sunday ride and he had met with an accident and nothing thank god nothing major has happened to him. So one thing that he pointed out was that his superbike that he owned didn't have ABS or anti-lock braking system, which was one of the main reasons that he couldn't control the bike and he fell. He also told that he was overspeeding. He didn't tell the exact number, but he told that he was way out of speeding limits. So what do I have to tell regarding this? First of all, for all the people who ride two-wheelers that don't have ABS, please take it slow. ABS is a very important. It is a life-saving technology or feature that you can call it. Since I also ride a bike, one of the bike that I own is does not have anti-lock braking system or ABS. So I sincerely request everyone to wear good gear, good riding gear. Always wear a helmet. After seeing his video, it hit me hard. It really hit me hard because when I used to see his videos, I used to wonder how is he able to manage so much speeds, because he used to go way to, he used to speed a lot, but then I was like, he had good control. But oh my god, ABS is a life saving feature. So if any new uh, rider out there is looking for a new bike, please buy a bike with ABS. I think it's a mandate now that all the new bikes must have ABS anti-lock braking system. But then please take it slow. For all the young riders out there especially, take it slow, have fun. Yes, speeding gives you that adrenaline rush and all that, but always remember, go speed only if you can think that you can control. Your reflexes are very important. That only comes with experience. My dad always keeps telling that you might not make a mistake for 100 times, but there's no guarantee that you would you there's no possibility that you can't make a mistake one not one time or 1,001 time. So always take slow, wear good riding gear. That's what I want to tell. It's nothing. I've been just chilling since morning, watching that show and a few movies, YouTube and stuff. There's nothing to do. It's absolutely free. Just had salad as you saw, and there's nothing to do today. That's it, because it's just a lazy day. Just chilling, and that's how the day is going. So yeah, I'm watching a movie right now. So yeah, let me finish that movie and let's see.
Half hours later.
Okay, it's somewhere around 2:33 in the afternoon and I have nothing to do. So my sister is in class right now, so I thought I'll make her some snacks, some corn and give it to her. So let's see how that goes. I'm literally doing this for the video, but yeah. One, search for corn in the freezer because that's where corn is kept. Yeah, so let's search. See, I got the corn box now. Step 2 is take the corn and microwave it for 5 to 6 minutes. Let's do it. 3. Step 3, very important step. Once you are done with taking out the corn, keep the box back inside because you don't want to get into trouble afterwards. On micro, turn it to 5 to 6 minutes. So 5:30 should be good, and then press start. Meanwhile, you have to get all other ingredients ready. By all other ingredients, I mean some calories. That is butter. Then whatever you want to add, you can literally add anything that you like. So I'll be adding some spices that include some salt. To search for some salt, some ಖಾರದ ಪುಡಿ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ, chili powder, some chili powder, some oregano and some mixed herbs and chili flakes, and ready to eat. I'm very tempted to eat, but I won't be eating because Mayaba is watching this. I am not eating, Mayaba. No, I am not eating. So that is for my sister. I'm actually really tempted. I'll have a spoon, which I shouldn't be doing, but yeah, only one spoon just to taste. What and all you have to do for the video. ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ವೀಡಿಯೋಗೋಸ್ಕರ? ಎರಡನೇ ದಿನನೇ ಹಿಂಗಂದರೆ ನಾನು 7 ದಿನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಿ? ನಾನು ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಆಚೆಗೀಚೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆಚೆನೂ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Okay, I want all of you to do one. See, I was going through how YouTube stuff and literally, and it seems that for every video I have to tell, you need to have a goal. It seems for these many likes, comment something. So let's put a small goal on this one. Say 10 likes. If you're watching this, obviously I'll get 10 views. So 10 people, if you're watching it till here, hit the like button. Okay, just do it. That's the goal for now. 10 likes for this video. Okay, yeah. Still 2 minutes 20 seconds is left. Let me get all the other spices out. One quick tip: don't take it out with bare hands. It will be very hot. So this alone is not for my sister. Obviously she can't eat this much. It's for my mother and her. So let's quickly make it. 1, add butter. No time. Put in all the spices, add some salt, add some butter, and done. Time. I was technically supposed to show you adding all that, but placing the camera became a bit difficult. So yeah, so it is very easy to try it out. Okay, turning into more of a cooking vlog, but what to do? Here has made its permanent sleepless. Idelappa Raja. Hey, idar mele. Ready? It's still in the hangover of sleep. Idar mele. Hey. Finally. Now would you go and sleep there? What is waiting for me? It is 6:30 in the evening. Slept properly for 1.5-2 hours. I'm sorry, there is nothing much interesting today. It's just a boring vacational day. Welcome to the life of Akash these days. Okay, time to close the video, I guess, because I won't do anything. Someone switched off the Wi-Fi. I guess I have to go turn it back on. I'll watch Schitt's Creek. Schitt's Creek. Yen Pravada Schitt's Creek or something. Sitcom that I'll start watching now. So by the time I watch, it'll be 8:39ish. Time to eat dinner. Then again come and watch for 1-2 hours more, and then sleep, and then wake up to this tomorrow. So yeah, hope you liked this video. I know there is nothing much interesting, but you know the challenge, right? 10 likes for this video. Let us reach it. I know it's very less, but क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है? What ಏನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಹೊಡೀರಪ್ಪ, ಲೈಕ್ press the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. I'm taking up challenges and all. Wow, 7-day daily vlog challenge. I don't know what I'll be doing. Frankly, I don't know what I'll be doing, but I'll do something for sure. Yeah, yeah. 2 episodes of lockdown stories are left, so that's gonna be interesting. That's it, I guess. You know the challenge. My challenge, I'm doing it. You have to fulfill the other challenge, that is making this video reach 10 likes. So the next one will slightly little higher one. We'll go for the next video. Okay. Until then, take care, stay safe. Corona is still out there. Always use a face mask. Keep a hand sanitizer handy. I always had trouble whenever I used to tell this sentence, because hand sanitizer, it's very blah 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 term. So yeah, that's it. Subscribe, share the video, make me popular, as I always say, because not only these, I make some interesting vlogs as well. If you haven't checked out my channel yet, do check it out. Okay, time to close the video. Time to edit now. Not I'll close the video. Yeah, I forgot to tell what I'll be doing. After dinner, I have to edit and then watch. Okay then. See you. Bye bye. Take care. One last thing. Did you get something by that? I forgot almost. I just wanted to start editing, and then I realized that I forgot to tell today is 10th November. That means Apple's special event. One more thing is a thing of Apple that, when they use it when they are launching something very very special. It was used when iPod was launched, when iPhone was launched. A lot of things were launched back since the inception of the company. They're using Steve Jobs used to use this one last thing to launch something very special. Even when the iPhone 10 or X, as you want to call it, came out, one last thing. So I'm very excited for that. 10:30 p.m. I guess. So waiting for that. I almost forgot about that. So yeah, that's it. Tomorrow let's talk about one last thing. Thanks for watching.